So maximizing your profits. One way to do that is you can increase your cleaning fee. A great way to escrow maintenance costs. It's just another tool you can use. I learned this very quickly, especially if you're renting a property for the first time. You'll need to iron out some kink, and there'll be unexpected expenses there. So I increased the cleaning fee for that. It's a great way to cover that cost. And then if you don't need maintenance, it's just, extra profit for you. Also, go through the calendar and increase pricing on all the holidays and big events of the calendar year. We learned that. We learned we could have made, double on spring break. We just didn't block out all the spring breaks. So spring break, graduation, typical school holidays. Also market specials on social media for the slow months, which is what I did for one of our properties right here in December. And I'll even extend this to whoever's watching my slideshow. If you're interested for a little getaway in Livingston, in Lake Livingston, just let me know. Let's see, turn on smart pricing to get bookings, and this is just on Airbnb platform. To get bookings in the beginning, it will help with visibility and bump your listing up to the first page of the search. So set a minimum for smart pricing, and then turn off smart pricing after you get your reviews, because Airbnb will likely undercut you because they want bookings. So post different rates on the competing platform as well. So my rates are different on Airbnb and Vrbo, and I just kind of test out the rates that way. Great reviews. It's simple. Those equal more bookings. In the beginning, I let my friends and family, they're going to ask you anyway. So friends and family, want to stay at your vacation rental. So I'm like, sure, just leave me a review. So when you're first getting started, that helped me get to Superhost and Premier Host faster, because I had some family friends stay there, and I just give them a massive discount and they give me a review. So there are great benefits for Superhost and for Premier Host. It automatically gives you credibility. Your listing appears on the first page of a search, and all you need is at least an 80% or 5-star reviews, 4.5 or higher. Or you need to be booking a lot as well, like pretty consistently, for them to give you that status. So this is just an example of potential earnings from one of our properties. It's our smallest Airbnb. It's only 700 square feet. These are gross numbers in just over 8 months. We opened this one up April of last year. And I just share this to state that there's definitely money to be made in your short-term rentals if you are strategic and if you manage it properly.